in arithmetic progression concept. So I'll show the some questions and based on that some short techniques. So short trick methods, let us see one by one. First of all, if you know the progression in arithmetic, there is in this series, arithmetic progression series, the concept is by adding the previous term like a and by adding some common difference d, a plus 2d, a plus 3d is the series it is. So a is the first term and d is the common difference. Now to find out the nth term like tn, nth term is a plus n minus 1 into d. So this is the formula, we know that a plus n minus 1 into d. So let me show you this formula first in this example. Find the 27th term of 8, 15, 22 so on. So a is the first term, a is 8 and common difference means any number minus with previous number, 15 minus 8, so there is a common difference, so 7. Now they are asking 27th term, therefore n is equals to 27. If you want to find out 27th term in this list, that is a plus, so 8 plus n minus 1, 27 minus 1 into common difference is 7. If you simplify, you'll get the 27th number in this list. 8 is the first number. By adding 7, you're getting 15. Again, adding 7, 22. First, second, third. So on if you do. What is the 27th term using this formula? Right? So 8 plus 27 minus 1. So 26 into 7. We can multiply this both and add, you'll get 190. 190 is the 27th number. This is the normal method. Now let me show you some questions with short techniques in this. Okay, you can observe these problems. How many terms between 100 and 400 are divisible by 3? So before the short technique, let me show you the normal pattern. So how many terms are there between 100 and 400 are divisible by 3? That means we know this 102 is the first number after 100 in 3 table. Next 105. Okay, 108, so on. 400 is not divisible, no? Previous one is 319. You have to find out how many terms are there in this total, 1 2 3 so on up to 399. So in this a is equals to first number 102, common difference is 3, difference between the terms, then last number is 399, 399. So or this is we can call it as a tn, then tn or l, both are same. This also you can take it as a tn. Nth term is a plus n minus 1 into d is the formula, right? So we need to apply this entire formula in this to solve. That is 399 is equals to a plus, a is the first number, n minus 1 into common difference is 3. By simplification, you'll get the value of the n in this. So we suppose take 102 left side. So 399 minus 102 is subtract and divided by 3 is equals to n minus 1. So 399 minus 102 divided by 3. So this is 99 plus 1. So 100 will come. Total is 100. Now instead of doing this way, let us see the short trick also in this shortcut method. They're asking how many terms between 100 and 400 are divisible by 3. Right? So just take the largest number is 400 divided by 3 and small number is the 100 divided by 3. Between them, this value you can simplify. 400 minus 100 divided by 3. We should take 400 by 3 separately, 100 by 3. If any quotient only we can take. This is the 300 divided by 3. So 100 terms will be there in this case. Okay, let me show you with another examples. Now question is, how many terms between 500 and 1000 are divisible by 2, 3 and 4? First step we have to find out LCM of this 2, 3, 4. Short techniques. So 2, 3, 4 LCM is 12. Now we can take this is a shortcut method. Take 1000 divided by 12 and minus 500 divided by 12. This value you can simplify. 1000 divided by 12. We can take only the quotient. I'll show this method. So 1000 divided by 12 if you do, 12 times 8, so 96. Subtract this, 4, 40 next. 12 times 3, 36. Again 4. So it's come decimals are getting. So 96, 4 you can take down now. Again 4 we got 0. 12 times, okay, only 10 it is. Next, so we'll get only approximately this 83 as the quotient you can take. Next, 500 divided by 12 again. 12 4s are 48 to 0. 1s are because not 2. You can't take this, only can take this 41. That means this is 83 and 41. You subtract 42. That's it. So total number of terms between 500 and 1000 are divisible by 2, 3, 4. Together is 42. Okay, so this is the short techniques you can apply to find out the numbers between them, and the concept of the progression is this.